put on the water. I've got St. Heliers beach behind me, sitting in the expedition kayak here, so we're fully loaded, about to make our way over to Motuihe Island to stay the night. So it should be about 9 kilometers paddling or so, heading via Browns Island, so maybe stop there for a snack, and making camp on the island, so follow along for a good time. Just off the coast now at Ladies Bay, sort of the first pit stop on the trip. You can kind of see it behind me over here. So it's been probably a 10-15 minute paddle since I left. And just ahead we've got Rangitoto Island, and over in this direction initially we've got Browns Island. That'll be our next pit stop, and just tucked behind Browns you can see some sort of sea cliffs over there. Those are the cliffs of Motuihe where we're heading to. Shipping channels or transit lanes, I guess. Heading for Browns Island, leaving Ladies Bay behind. So normally it's about a 20-minute section across, 20-minute leg across this channel here. Paddling into a little bit of an easterly, which is a headwind. So a little bit of a light shock, slowing us down a bit. Plus we're travelling with a fully loaded kayak, so a little bit more weight to push through the water. A lot more stable though, which is a really nice benefit. Just behind me, just see Auckland City over my left shoulder. So just offshore of Browns Island now, you can see the remains of the old volcanic cone. So Browns Island, or Motuihe, is actually an extinct volcano. Really nice beach along this right hand side to park up, go for a swim. Just watch out at low tide because the water there gets really, really shallow. Remains of the old wharf just straight ahead. Now we're going to poke around to the left hand side, round to the back northeastern corner of Browns Island. Really nice beach there to stop and have a bit of food. G'day mate, how you going? Cool, so we're just about to head around the corner at the back of Browns Island here to the beach. That's Motuihe out there ahead of us. Browns Island, just arrived at this lovely beach. Absolute spot for it, as you can see. So from here, we'll basically set off straight towards that headland there, which is the southern end of Motuihe, and then paddle away up to the campsite. So we've got blue sky to the left, less blue sky to the right. Haha, sucks being on the mainland, peasants. So, just made it across to the southern headland of Motuihe Island. Absolutely mint spot. And from here, we'll just continue around the coastline off towards the campsite at Motuihe. Landed on Motuihe, finishing the trip took 2 hours and 16 minutes to get here. Average speed of what does that say, 8k an hour. See all the boats parked up behind me. So yeah, absolutely magical paddle. Off to find ourselves a campsite now. We've got our wee camp all set up. Let's take a look inside. The dry bags all stored away. Let's have a nosy in here. Nice. Got our clothes, got our emergency kit. Nice bed set up, even got a book to read. Let's go. So I'm just on my way down to Wharf Bay for a swim. Wharf Bay is the beach we landed on before. Just a little PSA. Always wear your sunscreen, kids. Got myself a nice little farmer tan today. Best part of any kayak mission. Go for a swim at a brand new beach you've never been to before. Oh, the water is lovely. Behind me you can just see the Auckland skyline at sunset. Very, very nice. Very good paddle over 2.5 hours or so. Probably just over 10k. And yeah, absolutely magical trip. Highly recommend.